Are you struggling with Ielts writing? Let's simplify the task together. In Ielts writing task 2, you often must discuss both views. This can be tricky. But, with the right template, you can score high. First, understand the question. What exactly is being asked? Read it carefully to grasp both sides. Next, start your essay with a clear introduction. State the topic and your opinion. This sets the stage for your reader. Then, structure your body paragraphs. Each paragraph should discuss one view. Present arguments and examples for clarity. Make sure to include counter-arguments. Address the opposing view to enrich your essay. This shows critical thinking skills. After the body, write a strong conclusion. Summarize key points and restate your opinion. A solid ending leaves a lasting impression. For example, let's say the topic is about government funding for the arts. In the introduction, present the topic and outline your stance. In the first body paragraph, explain why some believe funding is essential. Use examples of art's benefits on society. In the next paragraph, discuss the opposing view. Some may argue it wastes money. Present their perspective clearly. Finally, conclude by emphasizing the importance of balance between views. To summarize, always clearly present the topic. Use a structured approach for your essay. Discuss multiple perspectives for a better score. Ready to boost your Ielts writing score? Join our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.